Whoever has ears ought to hear. Maraming beses na natin narinig ang mga katagang ito sa ating Panginoon. Madalas sa ending ng mga parables, minsan naman kapag nagbibigay siya ng warning. These words evoke an expression of urgency. Baguhin ang pananaw. Magbago ngayon at hindi bukas. In our fast-paced lives, we have suffered with much procrastination of more important things, even the most important thing. Jesus invites us to review our priorities and set it right. Make Jesus your number one priority. The others are only secondary. Saint Teresa of Avila once said, "All things are passing, only God is important." Handa ka bang magbago ng priorities? G ka ba?